Okay, what's going on today? In this video right here, you're going to be working with inequalities. Okay, put the proper comparison symbol between the numbers. That's all you got to do. You really probably don't even need a calculator here for this. Okay. You got 8 and 6. You got to put which sign goes here. This is greater than, this is less than. Now, a lot of people get confused, so I'm going to make it easier. This sign here, either sign, there's a open part of the sign. You see that's open, and a closed part of the sign. Open, closed, open, closed. The open part of the sign has to be to the bigger number. Now this one's fairly obvious. If I have 8 and 6, 8's bigger than 6, right? I mean, here's my number line if you need it. You have 0. These are all your positives. These are all your negatives. The bigger go this way, okay? The further this way, the bigger it is. So if I go 8 and 6, 8's further this way than 6 is, so 8's a bigger number. So you put the open part of the sign towards the bigger number. It's like a mouth. It's about to eat the bigger number. Okay, next one I got -4 and +11. So we have -4 here, +11. Well, +11's obviously further over here. So open the sign so it eats 11. Okay, the open part of the sign goes to the bigger number. Okay, then -6 and -3. Now don't just do what you think. I mean, here's -6. Here's -3 is further this way, isn't it, than -6 is. So it's -3. So we have to open the sign to the -3. And then that's like a sentence you just put together. -6 is less than -3. 8 is greater than 6. -4 is less than 11. Okay, next one we have 2 and -3. +2 and -3. So here's 2, here's -3. So 2, -3. Okay. 2's bigger, okay? 2's further this way than -3 is. So here's 2. The open part of the sign has to be towards the 2. Okay. Eat the 2 is what you can say. Okay, -8 and +4. So here's -8, here's +4. Okay, so -8's here, +4's here. +4's further this way, so there's your bigger number. So +4, fill it, okay, right there. So there you have it. And then +3 and -5. Here's +3, here's -5. +3 is further this way. Okay. So since +3 is further, you eat the +3. Okay, and then the next part, you can think it's kind of useless, but you will see why it's important here later. Graph on a number line. X greater than 3. Don't get yourself all confused about greater than or less than. Okay. What you do is you go find 3 on the number line. I put it there. Remember, it's +3, and you make a circle. Okay, just a circle. Question is, we're going to draw an arrow, but what's key is knowing which direction the arrow goes. Now, the open part of that sign, is towards the X, okay? Because this graph represents all possible numbers that X could be. Anything I could put in for X. So the open part of that sign is towards the X. So open to X. If it's open to the X, the arrow is always going to go this way, because that means X can be any number that way. 4, 5, 6, whatever. Okay? And there's your graph for it. Okay, now I'm going to go over many more of these here. X and -2. So you go to -2. This time, it's open to the negative 2. So it's open to the number this time, not the x. When it's open to the number, it goes this way. Okay, and that's always the rule. Okay, so here's what I want you to write. Open to x, you're going this way. Okay, open to the number, that's going to go this way. So open to x goes this way, open to number goes this way. Okay, because this means this represents x right here. Okay, and also on top of these graphs, I want you to put x, please, because it represents every possible number that x could be. So on this graph, x could be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one, x could be negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6. All those numbers going that way. Okay. Okay, next part. Go to your 5. Okay, and this is open to x. The open part of the sign is to the x. Okay, so when it's open to x, it goes this way. And please put an x up above there. Represents all possible numbers x could be. Okay, negative 3 and x. So I go to negative 3. And then what's it open to? Open to the number. It's open to negative 3. So when it opens to the number, it goes this way. Okay, and then you put x. So open to x this way, open to number that way. Okay, more. X and negative 11. So I go to negative 11 and make a circle. Open to, it's open to x, isn't it? Open to x goes this way, to the right. So you just put x above that. X can be any number going that way. Nothing that way. 0 less than x. So I go to 0, fill it. What's it open to? It's open to x again, isn't it? Okay, so just like up here, it's open to x, so it goes to the right again. So starting at 0, x can be any number this way. Okay, 2 is the critical number, so I go to 2. Remember, I got a 2 and a negative 2. Make sure you get it on 2. Okay. What's it open to? It's not open to x this time, it's open to our number, 2. So when it's open to our number, it goes back this way. Means x can be anything that way. Okay, x and negative 6. What's it open to? It's open to the number, the negative 6. So when it's open to our number, this way again. Okay, label the graph with x, please. All you got to do is put x.